So there's massive flooding and a lot of structures were heavily damaged. So we were there this morning with the officials there. I think ito mga nangyayari sa atin ngayon, no, it's just a reminder to all of us that what we do here, no, in DPWH is really just so important for the everyday lives of the Filipino. Kanina po I was nakakaiyak talaga kasi I visited a community which was right beside the river. There was an unfinished dike. There was an unfinished revetment, and of course the river rumagasa at 11 p.m. starting 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. yung pinaka mabigat na downpour, and thankfully there were minimal deaths, but I mean the houses were all destroyed. Talagang in the middle of the night, while the citizens were sleeping, talagang kinain yung mga bahay nila nung river, nung Iligan River. No, and it just shows how important it is that we do the right thing. No, that we implement these projects in the most honest, with the highest quality, the best plans, because the consequences are disastrous. Buhay po ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. No? It's not just a bridge or a flood control or a dike or a road. These are people's lives that we're dealing with here. No? And this is what I tell the team here at DPWH, from the undersecretaries here down to the project engineers, na buhay ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito. Isang pagkakamali, isang substandard na project, worse, isang ghost project, buhay po ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. No? And the loss of life, that is has been a consequence of what we've seen for years, decades maybe, is really something unacceptable. No, that's why I'm very, very thankful to President Donald and the entire team, over at the Blockchain Council of the Philippines, the MAP, BYC, all our private sector partners, because really we cannot fix this by ourselves. We cannot. Masyadong deeply rooted yung mga problema sa DPWH, masyadong deeply rooted ang mga problema sa gobyerno, and we really need the innovations brought in by the private sector. Kasi kung kami lang, hindi mangyayari ito. No, hindi mangyayari ito. It will not happen. No, that's why, if you recall, during the first meeting, the launch of this in September, I was probably just a few weeks into this new job. Now I just entered my 5th month. No, I told Yusek Nick and Donald that we really gotta start this. No, because this is a major step in ensuring that what we've seen in the past doesn't happen again. No? And this is what the President keeps on repeating. Now, not only do we need to hold people to account, not only do we need to get the people's money back, but even more important than that probably is we have to make sure that this does not happen again. No? And this is one major step in that direction. It's not a silver bullet by any means, but it is a major step. No, and I know we're just starting with the foreign assisted projects under Senior Undersecretary Emil Sidain and his team. But I think if we can do it there, then I think there is no reason why we cannot implement this nationwide. No, in all projects, especially the locally funded projects as well. No, and as you know, in November, the President launched our Transparency Portal, and I just want to give a shout out to our Transparency Portal team led by Sec Henry who really helped us out here together with our private sector partners. They're here. Sina Al and everyone are here. It's really now a model, no, for government, no, and with the help of the ICT, with Sec Henry's team leading the charge in really replicating this, this unprecedented tool, no, that the president launched in November to all other agencies. I think this is the, together with the integrity chain efforts, with the efforts of the Blockchain Council, and now with the president declaring the Cadena Bill as a legislative priority, no, thanks to the efforts of Senator Bam Aquino, who has really pushed for this. I think we can really make a difference, no? And not just in ensuring that these things that we have seen happen don't happen again, but also ensuring that we build proper infrastructure that will last. Yung tatagal-tagal, yung hindi isang bagyo lang sira na, wash out na. No, that we've seen in numerous instances all over the country. Minsan nga kasama ko yung media where I go, and minsan siguro nagsasawa na sila because we keep on seeing the same thing. No? A incomplete bridge, a road that has not been maintained properly, a flood control that has been washed out just with one typhoon season, with one bagyo, sira na. Paulit-ulit na lang and bitinas nakakarindi na No, but we have to channel that frustration, we have to channel that anger, we have to channel that inis, no, yung inis talaga nakakarindi na, into efforts such as this, no, that will ensure that these things don't happen again, and we start building better and start building more of the right infrastructure as part of the President's Build Better More program. So again, thank you so much, everyone. Hindi namin po magagawa ito without you, no, especially to Donald and the team. And now we're here. We're gonna go live in a few minutes, no, and we're gonna start with our FAPs, with our foreign assisted projects, and we hope that we can roll this out to other projects, not just in DPWH, but in DOTR, in the National Irrigation Administration, in DICT, but I'm sure Sec Henry's taken care of that already. Even in the local government units, no, where we want to implement our projects as well. We want them as our partners as well. So with that, again, thank you very much, and maraming po salamat po talaga sa inyong suporta at sa inyong pasensya. Alam ko, Donald, hindi madaling makipagtrabaho sa gobyerno. Lalo na sa mga ahensya tulad ng DPWH, napakalaki, no, at napaka-komplikado. Pero thank you for sticking with us, and thank you for your commitment, and I hope wag nyo kaming iiwan. No? Maraming salamat po. God bless you.
Maraming salamat.